Hey family, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back with another interesting video. Please click on the subscribe button if you are new and also on the notification button so you'll be notified once I upload a new video. In today's video, I share a DIY hair spray for hair growth and thickness. This treatment softens hair and also moisturizes hair, leaving your hair shinier and more beautiful. If your hair is thin, this will thicken it, and if your hair is on protective style, please do not joke with this. Spray 2 to 3 times weekly, and after taking down your protective hairstyle, you will be amazed at the result. Without wasting much of our time, let's get to work. To begin, grab a jar like this. It could be a bowl or anything at all. My first ingredient is neem powder. Neem conditions your scalp. It treats hair lice. It reduces dandruff. It soothes hair dryness. It promotes healthy hair growth. I measured half tablespoon of neem powder into the jar. Moving on to my next ingredient, which is bay leaf. Bay leaf is loaded with antioxidants that can help smoothen your hair. It helps fight bacteria and fungal infections on the scalp. It also fights dandruffs and itchy scalps. They work together in tackling dandruff and itchy scalp. So this works well. They help regrow hair, especially those battling with balding of hair. Guys, this works so well. It's very good for hair growth. So I'm going ahead to cut this into smaller parts, so I will make sure that everything infuses into the water straight away. You get the gist. So moving to our next ingredient is hibiscus. This helps in hair thickness. It stimulates hair growth. It conditions hair. It prevents balding and itchiness of scalps. It treats dandruff. It also prevents premature growing of hair. So I'm going to be using 4 leaves for this recipe. Moving on to our next ingredient, I measured 100 ml of water boiled at 100 degrees into a jar. Stir and cover with a foil paper. But I'm going to use a paper. Preferably a foil paper is better, but this is what I could lay my hands on. It is better to use a foil paper than to use the plastic cover of the jar. I'm going to use a rubber band to hold this paper in place. So after infusing for 12 hours, this is my result. I went on to strain with my strainer and a plate to collect my hairspray. Moving on to the next ingredient, I added half spoon of aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil thickens hair. You can add preservatives or store in a refrigerator not more than 5 days. I will go ahead to transfer that into my spray bottle. If you do not have a spray bottle, use a body spray bottle. Wash them thoroughly and sterilize. Go ahead and moisturize your hair with this spray. Whenever you are using a hair tea made on this channel, if you are to use it as a leave-in, make sure to use your moisturizers. After saturating your hair with this spray, use a leave-in moisturizer. After that, seal in with your hair growth oil. I don't know if you understand me, but if not, I am in the comment section to explain better. This brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.